Hello friends, you're watching Gmail channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to turn on or enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.